Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this fun Christmas drag marble nail design. So I'm going to use white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, red by Oily called Forever Crimson, and green by China Glaze called I'm With the Lifeguard. So I applied one coat of white polish, and the second coat is going to be much thicker. If you watch my other drag marble designs, I always say make sure the coat is thick so you're able to drag. You don't want it to dry too fast. So I'm just going to put some lines of the red and green, kind of giving it a candy cane look to it. And this is much different than my usual crazier drag marble designs. Then using my water marbling tool, I'm just going to go back and forth. I didn't use a thin brush this time because the lines wouldn't be so straight. So I just wanted to do kind of like, give it a candy cane vibe. And I'm just going to remove that polish. And I kind of messed up because I added too much polish. So I redid the design later on. And then I just showed you how it looked. This is how it looked. And then I just applied a hollow glitter polish and then a shinier top coat. I wanted to give it, like I said, a candy cane, cool, fun look. I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.